What if French wasn't something you studied, but something you spoke every day? French too isn't about memorizing vocabulary, it's about using it. Texting a friend, cooking a recipe, planning a trip, talking about your favorite movies, all en français. Build your speaking skills through engaging activities and get personalized feedback. Shop for clothes, navigate a doctor's visit, explore celebrations and the environment. And start actually thinking in French. By the end, you'll hold real conversations, discuss the past, talk about routines and current events, with the confidence of someone who actually speaks French. With credentialed teachers and A through G approved courses, you're getting a University of California-backed education on your schedule. Ready to start thinking and speaking in French? Discover this course and many more with Scout from University of California. Enroll today